Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I will show you how to remove a Discord server on mobile and desktop. To delete your Discord server on mobile, open Discord app on mobile. Select the server you want to delete by tapping at this server icon from the left sidebar. Tap server name from the top. Tap settings icon. Tap overview. Scroll down. Press delete server option. This action is irreversible. Your server and its data will be gone. And on desktop, open Discord app or open Discord in web browser. Select server that you want to delete from the left side. Click server name from the top. Select server settings. And from the bottom left, click delete server. So this is how you can delete a Discord server on mobile and desktop PC. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.